Hello children. Hello children. Good morning all of you. Welcome to the virtual class presented by Jet Kids. So see students, today we are going to take English period of class 2. Okay. So see, this is a special video which I made with the purpose of revision. Okay. So in this lesson, in this video, what is our topic? Our topic is grammar, and in this topic we are going to take the revision of lesson number 1 and 2. Okay, means we will take the revision of grammar book. Okay, that is the lesson number 1 and lesson number 2. So see, let us start the revision. What is the name of lesson number 1? Yes, the name of our lesson number 1 is words and sentences. The name of our first lesson is words and sentences. So see, so first of all we will do the revision. Okay, and then we will take the revision with the help of extra additional worksheet. Okay, so see, a group of letters arranged in the correct order makes up a word. So see, I have explained you in the video also. So in short, we will take the revision. A group of letters arranged in the correct orders makes up a word, and a group of words that arranged in the correct order makes up a sentence. Now see, what are the speciality of a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that is complete in itself and it makes the sense also. Okay, and a sentence always begins with a capital letter and it ends with a full stop. And these sentences I always repeat many times, so you should follow the instruction always. Okay, so now see the revision. So see, this is the part of your textbook only. Okay, so see the revision part. Sentences and questions also we will see, and then we will take the revision on whole part of the lesson number 1, that is the words and sentences. So see, what is sentences we saw. Now what is meant by questions? So once again we will see. Look at these sentences. The sun is yellow. I have many friends. Football is my favorite game. I have 2 eyes. Okay, so these sentences tell us something. Okay, so a sentence tells us something. Okay, and it ends with a full stop. Okay, it gives us information about something, or it tells us something. Okay, now look at these sentences. Okay, downside. Why is the sun so hot? How many eyes do you have? Okay, what is your favorite game? Do you have friends? So these sentences ask something. Okay, they are asking us something about something. So a sentence which asks us something is called a question. Okay, a sentence which asks something is called a question, and it always ends with a question mark. See, the question mark is given in the bracket or after the each questions. Okay, in the examples. So let us see the next part. Okay, I hope you understood what is meant by word, what is meant by sentence, what is meant by question. So see, this is the worksheet which is related on words and sentences. So in that few exercises are there. So see exercise number A. So see, these words are jumble. Okay, so write them correctly in the blank. So see, the words are jumble, and so we have to arrange these spellings properly in the correct order. Okay, and then we can make a word. So I will help you out, but you have to solve this worksheet in your grammar notebook especially. Okay, so YOB. So which word it will be? Obviously BOY, boy. Number 2, GIRL, girl. So number 3 is LOSOCH. Which word it will be? Yes, it will be school. SCHOOL. Then number 4 is, I will tell the answers only. Okay, because we have to take more exercises in this video. Okay, so number 4 is teacher. You have to write the spelling of teacher, TEACHER. Number 5 is class. You have to write the correct spelling of class. See, the words are jumbled, you have to find out. CLASS, class. Number 6 is bench. Okay, you have to find out, you have to think, and then you have to arrange, and you have to write the correct spelling like BENCH, bench. Okay, so number 7, HLCKA. What it is? It is a spelling of chalk, but it is jumble. CHALK, chalk. Okay, then table, and then light, and then park. So in this way you have to complete this exercise. Okay children, so let us move to the next exercise. Okay, so the exercise B is there. So see, what is the exercise B? Rearrange the words to form correct sentences. Okay, so now the words are jumbled. Okay, in the first exercise they have given us the letters are jumbled. Now in the second exercise they have given us the words are jumbled. Remember to put full stop at the end. So see, we have to make the sentences correct, and then at the end we have to put full stop. See student, many times it happens you make the sentences correct, but you forgot to give the full stop, and see there is a half mark always for the full stop. Okay, so the strict teacher like me, I can cut your marks like this. Okay, so see, it's a part of joke. Okay, so I am telling you now, I'm not going to examine you, but you should keep these small things you have to always keep in mind. Okay children, so see, this bus is a, so what will be the correct sentence? So see, this is a bus, and at the end you have to give full stop. A car father my has, so what will be the correct sentence? My father has a car, and at the end full stop, and see my, you have to make the first letter capital also. So these are the rules of a sentence. First letter capital, and at the end you have to give full stop. Number 3, I my love parents. So what will be the correct sentence? I love my parents and full stop. A have sister I, means what will be the sentence? I have a sister, full stop, and first letter always capital. Plays with me, she plays with me. Okay, so this is the correct sentence. Number 6, today is cold it, so it is cold today. Today it is cold also you can write. Okay, number 7, like I ice cream, so I like ice cream. Okay, so in this way you have to write school near my is house my. Okay, so my school is near my house, so this sentence will be like this, and the first letter of all the sentences should be capital, and at the end of all the sentences from the sentence number 1 to 8 you have to give full stop at the end of a sentence. So see student, let us see the next exercise, and which is the exercise number C of lesson number 1, words and sentences. So see, read the following, put a full stop if it is a sentence, and put a question mark if it is a question. So it is a very easy exercise. Means what you have to do, you have to read the sentence. If it is sentence, then put a full stop, and if it is a question, then what you have to do, you have to simply put a question mark at the end of a sentence. Okay, so number 1, this is my school, it is telling us something, so put full stop, this is a sentence. Do you like cookies, it is asking us something, that's why it is a question, so put a question mark. Number 3, there is a rainbow in the sky, so it tells us, that's why it is a sentence, so you put a full stop. Number 4, is he playing football, so obviously it is asking us something, so put a question mark, this is a question. Does he draw good pictures, again it is asking something, so it is a question, so put a question mark. That is a mango tree, full stop. It is a bright sunny day, it is also telling us something, that's why it is a sentence, and then put a full stop. So I hope you understood how to solve exercise C. So dear student, let us move to the next exercise or the revision of the next lesson. Okay, so that is the lesson number 2, that is the naming words. So let us start the revision part of naming words. Okay, in short we will do the revision. Words which tells us the names of people, places, animals and things are called as the naming words or nouns. You have to learn this definition, you have to write this definition. Okay children, so see, there is a beautiful picture. Okay, so see the picture. So examples, Mohan walked into the garden, he saw a caterpillar sitting on a leaf, a ladybug crawled on the grass, a grasshopper hopped nearby, there was a fountain too. So see the words Mohan, garden, caterpillar, leaf, ladybug, grass, grasshopper and fountain. These all are the naming words of person, place, animal or thing. So okay, these are the naming words, and there is another word that is called as nouns. So see, there is exercise A and B, okay, which is related on lesson number 2, that is the naming words. So let us solve the exercise A. Circle the naming words and write them in the correct columns. Okay, so see, they have make a chart. Okay, so you have to make a chart like this, like people, places, animals and things. First of all, you have to circle, you have to read 10 sentences, then you have to circle all the nouns, and then you have to separate these nouns in the following chart. Like the names of people you will write in the first column, names of places you will write in the second column, all the names of all the animals you are going to write in the third column, and the names of things that you are going to write in the fourth column. Okay children, so see, in this way you have to solve this exercise. Okay, so let us take few examples. Okay, so see, orally we are going to take. So see, number one. Okay, what is number one? My grandparents live in a village. Okay, so see the sentence, my grandparents. 1 minute, wait a minute. Okay, so see, my grandparents live in a village. Okay, number one. So see, my grandparents live in a village means what? So what means, we are going to see the only the nouns or the naming words. Okay, so grandparents and village, these are the names. Okay, grandparent is the name of person and village is the name of place. So in short, we will see the naming words. Okay, it is place called Ramgarh. So Ramgarh, Ramgram. Okay, next, they have many animals in their farm. So what are the naming words? Animals, farm. There are cows, sheep, horses, pigs and goats. So what are the naming words? Cows, sheep, horses, pig, goats. Okay. Gopal gives food and water to them. Gopal, food, water. 6 number. There are some birds like hens, ducks and geese. So what are the nouns? Birds, hens, ducks, geese. Now number 7. There is a garden in front of the house. So garden and house, these are the two nouns. Number 8. They have a dog and cat. So dog and cat. Okay. So number 9. There are tables. Okay, and chairs in the room. So tables, chairs and rooms, these are the nouns. And the last sentence is, the trees give mangoes and the apples. So trees, mangoes and apples, these are the naming words. So I hope you understood how to solve this exercise. First of all, you have to circle all the naming words, and in the second thing is that you have to separate all these naming words into the people, in the person and the animals and the things. For example, grandparents you are going to write in the people column, village you are going to write in the place of in the second column, that is the place, and the names like animals, cow, sheep, that you are going to write in the third column, animals, and the like water, food, that you are going to write in the fourth column, that is of the things. Okay, so let us see the next exercise B, and this one is the last exercise. Okay, so see, and this exercise is related on lesson number 2, that is the naming words or the nouns. So underline the naming words in the sentences. Same you have to do, you have to only here underline. Okay, so let us discuss one by one. Number 1, my house is near a river. So what are the naming words in this? Yes, house, river. Number 2, there are many plants in the garden. So what are the naming words? Plants, garden. Okay. Number 3, there is a big tree near the gate. So what are the naming words? Tree, gate. Okay. Number 4, there are many flower pots. So what is the naming word? Flower pots. Okay. Number 5, the flowers are planted in the neat rows. Okay, in neat rows. So flowers and rows, these are the naming words. Number 6, I saw 5 children in the park. So what are the naming words? Children and park. Number 7, so see, Raju and Joe were playing football. So Raju, Joe and football, these are the naming words. Number 8, I eat rice and curry for lunch. So, rice, curry, lunch, these are the names. Okay, so these are the naming words. Number 9, the buses are waiting outside the school. Buses, school, these are the 2 naming words. So the number last 10, the children are walking with their bags. So children and bags, these are the naming words. So see student, you can take a snapshot also, you can take a screenshot also, you can take a printout also, you can take Xerox also, or you can copy down the question sentences also. Okay, so you have to solve this exercise AB of lesson 2 and the exercise of ABC of lesson 1. Okay, so in this video what you have to do, you have to solve these exercises. Okay, because 2 days you have holiday, so for that purpose only we made this video. Okay, so take full benefit of videos and solve these and make your concepts clear. Okay, I hope you understood the revision part of lesson number 1 and 2. So children, take care of yourself. do hard work, do studies, and utilize your time properly, and improve your handwriting also. Okay children, bye. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.